So when I first came to Cox Co, I didn't know what the company was about. I just knew it was something to do with payroll. And as the days went, I learned you do like a lot of stuff for like businesses. You make pay slips for employees. You help them with administration, HR work, and do the tax payments and stuff. Day one, I came by bus, got a tour of the office and the nearby areas from Megan, and I started to make a video in Powtoon advertising Cox & Co to other students who might be looking to get into payroll. And day two, I attended a webinar on how AI and payroll are coming together and to make work more efficient and accurate. And I created a database in Access to record all the webinars attended by staff and just have a record of all the webinars done by the business all over. And I did learn how to use Access database because I had never done it before. And day three, I created some graphs in Excel to show the users that how many of them use their mobile phones or computers to get into the portal, and how many people success or unsuccessful login attempts. And I was shown by Daniel how the employees use the payroll. Sorry. Yeah, how the payroll of an employee is processed. And I started to make my presentation on day three. And day four, I got an insight into UX and UI, which I didn't know existed. Was a new concept to me. And then I did some work in Excel sorting out company details and how many employees have signed in and how many have viewed their pay slips. And day five, today's my last day in Cox Co. I've learned a lot. It was a fun experience. I'm glad I did work experience in Cox Co.